Hello everyone, good evening. I hope you all are fine. I'm also fine. So, I'm gonna share with you about my today's routine as it was a holiday. What I did today, I'm gonna share with you. So, before that, I'm congratulating you all about the coming festival of Holi. So, Holi, like it is after 10 or 15 days, but still now only the craze of Holi is going on. Before 1 month only, it always gets started in the like places where Krishna ji took birth and other places. So, yeah, in Bihar also. The Holi is a very nice festival. It is celebrated very nicely in UP and Bihar mostly, and in Mathura. So, a very happy Holi to you all from now only. So, you all must have started of the preparation for Holi. So, yeah. Now I'm going to share with you about today's experience, what I did today. So I woke up around 8:45, a bit late. After that, I did my daily chores. First of all, I drank the lemon water, warm water. After that, I freshened up, did brush, and also took bath. After doing some exercise. After that, I had my breakfast. It was roti, बैगन का सब्जी, then करेला का भुंजिया and curd. So I ate it. The बैगन का सब्जी was very great. After eating my breakfast, I was watching TV and also I was searching for some sketches to draw. I didn't got something good, so I didn't draw it, but I will now again search for something better and will draw it. And also after that, I was watching TV and then I was talking with my friend. Yeah, so I was just time passing. After that, in the evening, I had gone for playing. So first of all, I had gone to Anushka's home to call her. After that, like today's weather was a bit like the summers are approaching and the winters are going. So it was like of good weather today. The wind was blowing, so it was a very nice day. We were first walking. After that, we were waiting for our other friends like Aparna, Radha and Amrit. After that, we were playing with them. Stop, it is a game. After that, we were playing color, and also we were having fun. After that, I also met Juhu. Her name is Chuhi also. So she is also our friend. Not very often she comes for playing, but now she came today. So yeah, I met her. She is a renter of Anushka's home. She lives. So she's my good friend. After that, I had came back to home after saying bye to them. After that, after coming home, I washed my face, hand, and feet all. After that, my mother had gone to buy something, so I also sent her to buy an ice cream. And she brought it also. So I ate it. It was very tasty. And after that, I was making this video. And after that, I will watch a movie, Ram Setu. I had watched it earlier, but now again I will watch it. So yeah, that's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.